Gold Award Girl Scout Dakota Partelow earned her award by leading Valerie's House, a project she designed to help serve grieving children in her community. She focused on supporting the children of families receiving services from Valerie's House. Her goal was to provide a safe, welcoming space where they could process their grief and emotions. Dakota stepped far outside her comfort zone to bring this project to life. She led multiple fundraisers, including organizing a cake pop sale with the help of her troop mates, learning to confidently share her project goals with community members and potential donors. She renovated a room at Valerie's house, furnishing it with resources to help children process their grief, such as comfortable seating, coloring books, and toys that support self-expression and mental health. Through her perseverance, she strengthened her leadership and communication skills, gaining confidence in advocating for a cause she deeply believed in. Through her efforts, she turned a once-overlooked room into a meaningful and lasting space for healing. She also collaborated with Valerie's House staff to ensure the space would be sustainably maintained and updated over time. Dakota said that she sometimes felt overwhelmed during her project, but she learned to manage stress by taking time to breathe, relax, and push through challenges. Reflecting on the experience, she wrote, "I can do things that I didn't believe I could do." Dakota's project is a powerful example of how personal growth and quiet leadership can overcome obstacles and create lasting, sustainable impact.